Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you why the property market remains hot and why we've just picked up these two houses in central London. With so much pessimism out there, this is where the opportunities are absolutely ripe. We've got high interest rates, we've got the Ukraine-Russia war, we've got the problems with Israel and Palestine, we've got inflation at its highest, and there's a lot of scaremongery going around. So, is it the right time to buy, or should we cool off like everybody else? Well, what I can say is that if you follow the crowd, you become part of the herd. What I've always done is make sure I always reach to the top of the peak of the mountain so you have a great view of what's going on, and that's when you get the best deals and the best opportunities. Opportunities can be sourced through various avenues, whether it's an estate agency, auctioneers, it could be an architect, surveyor, planner, it could even be an accountant, or it could be a runner if you're deep in the game. I'm going to be sharing how you guys can tap into where people like me get opportunities from and how you guys can get that too. So let's take a look at the two houses that we've picked up. Now, for some of you that have watched my videos and followed some of the projects that I do, you'll know that I always like to buy a family home in central London, which gives me the opportunity to create value add. And what I typically do is, under permitted development, I will go into the loft, create an extra 2 bedrooms, and then I'll also have a side return extension with a full gut out and create a really nice high-end bespoke home. These two houses that came up through an auction, and as soon as I saw them, I did my numbers and I quickly evaluated how viable they were and what my maximum price would be in terms of my bid, and made sure I got these. Now, there's also other benefits. I mean, how many people would have loved to buy two houses that are literally next door to each other? And something like this is a super prime hot lot. And what that does for an investor like me is it puts you at the top of the black book when it comes to finding similar opportunities too. There's also other angles in terms of how we're going to make this property work for us, but most importantly is we get two for the same job as doing one. We've already started on the planning. They were originally 2 flats and in both houses, and we call that a 2-to-1 reversion. So we're creating one house from a dwelling that previously had 2 flats. And I use the word dwelling. I'm going to keep it simple. One of these houses had 2 flats, a ground floor and a first floor. The second one also had a ground floor and a first floor. And what we're now doing is we're turning both houses into one single family house. Don't overcomplicate it. Once we get the approval to go into the loft, do a side return, and on these houses they've got a basement, and then we'll do a full external refurbishment. Understanding the location, we've got to know what the resale price is on a price per square foot basis and what the maximum price is on the resale for one of these homes. Doing all of our numbers, we picked one of the houses up for £780,000 and the second one for £840,000. Our maximum bid was £860,000. Anything above that and I would have walked away. Alhamdulillah, under the banner of Sharia homes, what I sincerely believe is if it was meant to be for me, it would never miss its mark. Now the key is, with auctions, you've always got to be cash, and with all of my projects, I always buy cash. No banks, no loans, no interest. Under the banner of Sharia Homes, Islamic property investment. I have investors from all over the world, and we just deliver as the general partner and make sure that we provide a turnkey house for our buyers. And we always try and make sure it's the best value home on the market through our interior design and high quality design and build. So why did I buy this house? Because it was a deal, and I know exactly what I'm doing, and we've got other projects in the area, and it makes maneuvering our teams so easily, which makes us super efficient and cut costs too. If you found this video informative, turn on that bell, share, like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm, it helps me, and it helps you.